Number 1. 1987 Ford F-250, price $4,995, powered by a reliable 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain, making it a solid choice for both everyday driving and off-road use. Finished in a classic red exterior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been well cared for and continues to run and drive smoothly. The interior has been kept in good condition, providing a clean and comfortable cabin that reflects the truck's overall maintenance. The truck presents itself very well for its age and is equipped with a great set of tires and wheels that enhance both its appearance and performance. While it does have some rust on the rocker panels, it remains structurally sound and mechanically dependable. Overall, this classic Ford F-250 offers a strong combination of reliability, capability, and vintage appeal, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a dependable work truck or a classic 4x4 with plenty of character. Number 2. 1995 Dodge Ram 2500, price $9,900. It has 227,000 miles and is powered by a strong-running 5.9L 12-valve Cummins diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission that has been upgraded with a brand-new shift kit. Finished in gray with a matching gray interior, this 2WD truck features an extended cab with a rear seat and a very long bed equipped with a fifth-wheel towing setup, making it an excellent choice for hauling and towing. The truck has been well maintained, with recent updates including brand new tires, a new water pump, a new heater core, new rear brakes, and a new headliner. The interior is in nice condition and features a clean dash pad, while the cold air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors, and power door locks provide added comfort and convenience. Overall, this Dodge Ram 2500 is a dependable diesel pickup that is ready to work, tow, or serve as a reliable daily driver. Number 3. 1979 Ford F-150, price $10,000. This is a great project truck with just 80,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior, a matching black interior, and a reliable gasoline-powered 351 V8 engine. It runs and drives great, making it an excellent candidate for someone looking to restore, customize, or simply enjoy a classic Ford pickup. The truck has been fitted with a brand new windshield, adding to its overall value and readiness for the road. With its solid mechanical condition, dependable performance, and timeless styling, it offers plenty of potential for its next owner. It also comes with a clean Texas title, making the ownership transfer simple and hassle-free. Number 4. 2002 Chevrolet S10, price $6,980. This truck has 115,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 2.2L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior with a well-kept tan interior, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable and practical pickup. Sometimes simple is exactly what is needed, and this S10 is built to get the job done. Whether it's hauling supplies, commuting to work, or serving as an affordable daily driver, it delivers dependable performance and everyday practicality. It comes equipped with a bedliner and a toolbox, adding extra utility for work or personal use. The interior has been well maintained, the paint is in great condition, and the truck rides on a set of great tires, making it ready for its next owner. Number 5. 1995 Toyota T100, price $9,500. This truck has 176,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a reliable 3.4L V6 gasoline engine, and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior. The truck runs and shifts great and has been used as a dependable daily driver. It has been well cared for, with new Bilstein shocks installed on all four corners, all fluids recently replaced, and a new carpet and refreshed interior. For a 1995 model, it has very minimal rust, reflecting the attention it has received over the years. A great deal of time and care has been invested in maintaining this truck, making it a solid, reliable, and well-preserved pickup that's ready for its next owner. Number 6. 1961 Ford F-100, price $10,000, well-maintained classic unibody pickup with approximately 61,045 miles on the odometer, a manual transmission, a white exterior, a tan interior, a gasoline-powered engine, and the truck remains in excellent running condition and is ready to drive. The truck was repainted about a month and a half ago, giving it a fresh appearance. It also features a rust-free tailgate with only minor surface rust. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, ignition wires, distributor cap and rotor, a refreshed fuel system, new brakes all around, and fully functioning lights. Inside, it has a newer seat sourced from a 1970s Ford Denside truck for added comfort, Power comes from the dependable 223 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. Number 7. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,500. It has 103,000 original miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior, a blue interior, and is powered by a dependable 5.9L gasoline V8 engine. The truck is in great mechanical condition, with everything functioning as it should, and has proven to be an exceptionally reliable vehicle. It has received extensive maintenance and upgrades, including new brakes, lower ball joints, brake lines, fresh fluids, a new belt and tensioner, spark plugs, ignition wires, distributor cap and rotor, battery, tires, shocks, and more. While the body shows cosmetic wear and the clear coat has faded, the interior remains in excellent condition. Overall, this well-maintained Dodge Ram 1500 offers strong performance, reliability, and plenty of life left for its next owner. Number 8. 1994 Ford F-150, price $6,500. This truck has 246,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 302 V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a classic red exterior with a gray interior, this truck has been well maintained and serves as a reliable daily driver. While it is not intended to be a flawless show truck, it offers solid performance, classic styling, and plenty of character. The truck rides on attractive 20-inch American racing wheels that give it a more aggressive appearance. It is equipped with power windows, ice-cold air conditioning, and a heater that works properly, making it comfortable to drive in any season. One of its biggest highlights is the recently rebuilt transmission, providing added confidence and reliability for its next owner. Number 9. 1999 GMC 2500, price $5,850. It has 189,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gold exterior. It is powered by a dependable 6.0L gasoline V8 engine that starts easily, runs strong, and delivers reliable performance. According to the previous owner, the truck has been well maintained and remains in great running condition. Several important components have recently been replaced, including all 4 shocks, the fuel pump, spark plugs, rear bumper, and headlights, reducing the need for immediate maintenance. The truck also comes with a front valance that has not yet been installed, giving the next owner the option to complete the exterior upgrade. Number 10. 1994 Ford F-150, price $4,200. This truck has 183,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable 300 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is a dependable work truck that runs flawlessly and performs exactly as it should. Although it does not have air conditioning, the heater works great and provides plenty of warmth. Over the past 12 months, nearly $3,500 has been invested in new parts, helping keep the truck in excellent mechanical condition. With its proven inline-six engine, smooth manual transmission, and dependable performance, this F-150 is ready to serve as a reliable daily driver or work truck.